Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the most fundamental channel here on YouTube. Deived is my name, where we talk about the stock market, take a look at the news, and we even do some technical analysis and other stuff. Dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes. Tell me, how did it go for you today in the stock market? What is that golden nugget that you want to share with the community? Or that broken link that you want to share because it doesn't have that SSL. Oh man, change of web hosting or something, Citron. Oops. Did I say? No, Citron. It's so cool. It's so cool. So cool, my friend. But ladies and gentlemen, let me know, how did it go for you today in the stock market? Hopefully the audio is good. I'm trying to make sure that everything sounds right because there's a lot of things to cover. And I know that my computer is a little bit sick. I'm telling you, man, it's getting a little, the last days of its life. Oh, man, I'm telling you, the sound. Wow, this sound is incredible. The hackers are getting me. The hackers. I'm listening to everything. I'm listening to everything that I'm saying, and it just makes sense, even with the visuals and everything, and with the audio. My computer is sick. People don't want me to do the show, guys. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. I'm scared. I'm scared, guys. If I'm not here anymore, oh my God, I'm getting scared, guys. Let me know. Let me know. R2D2 has entered the chat. Oh my goodness. Woo! I thought the aliens were coming for me, guys. I am sorry. It seems like my computer, man, I'm telling you, it's the last few days. Apple, get that 16-inch MacBook Pro out, man. What the heck you're waiting for, bro? What the heck is happening, Apple? Your best laptop and you haven't come out with it. Come on, bro. Give me some Apple. Apple. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and check if the sound sounds good now. Chewy, do you think it sounds good? Okay, I think it sounds good, right? Oh my goodness. You know, so let's give this a quick, proper intro. This is the Deived Show. It's not the Green Tom Show. It is my favorite show because it is my show.
Excellent.
Thank you, Mr. Burns. Combo breakers indeed. Let's go ahead and get started. Finally, we sound good. So there's a few things that I want to cover, but before I get to the charts, I want to go ahead and review this summary. Let's remove this banner that we got. Man, that was actually a legit intro, let me tell you all. Everything was planned, and you must be thinking, David, do you think that we're crazy? That wasn't planned, David. Anyways, it just goes like this. Small cap stocks keep winning streak as S&P 500 fails to gain any traction.
Hadouken!
A late swoon pushed the S&P 500 negative 0.1% from near daily highs back into the red during a day of push and pull. The Nasdaq 0.1% higher managed a small gain, and the Dow closed flat. But small caps outperformed with the Russell 2000 0.5% higher, closing higher for the 8th straight session. The S&P sectors were, oh my goodness, evenly split between 5 gainers, 5 losers, and financials right on the flat line. Oh my goodness, the audio's still grainy. I'm sorry, bro. We gotta go forward with this. The winners and losers swap from yesterday, with real estate on top today and energy finishing at the bottom. The BIP 6 mega caps were also mixed, with the Facebook and Microsoft ending in positive territory. Like financial stocks, rates were also little changed. The 10-year Treasury yield stayed at 1.15% and the 30-year was at 1.95%. On the stimulus front, House Majority Leader Nancy Pelosi said bill will be sent to the Senate as soon as the House passes it. And President Joe Biden backed a $75K per person income limit for direct checks. The squeeze stocks extended their slide, and GameStop plunged through $60 and ended just above $50 as it continued to see support arrive and then evaporate at round numbers. ARK Investment Management CEO Kathy Wood said today that the call buying that fueled the Reddit stocks is actually boosting a bond bubble. Wow, boosting a bond bubble. Interesting, guys. That's actually a good statement. Kathy Wood, man, I'm telling you, ARK Investment has been impressing me a lot with the way they have been expressing themselves towards different situations, and not bad at all. I am sorry if everything still sounds a little bit grainy, but man, this is what we got for now until I get a new computer. Hopefully I will get one soon, and hopefully the audio will get better with patience, because patience is the name of the game, guys. Con mucho amor I do these videos, and let's go ahead and review Bitcoin. I gotta take a look at Bitcoin and see what's happening, because everybody was in the Dutch train and they forgot about Bitcoin, and then Elon Musk is like, no, boom, Bitcoin over here. Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin currently at $46,750.34. That's the cost of a Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, in the US dollar. On the daily, showing you, ladies and gentlemen, wow, what a move. This is the move Tesla actually did with Bitcoin. Guys, I apologize if this video is a little bit slower than usual. I apologize, but it's my computer, man. I'm trying to make it work. And if it doesn't work, I gotta figure it out. So, Bitcoin closed a bullish candle with a range from 48,214, which is the resistance, and the support at 44,966, creating a support level with a bullish candle. On the weekly, we're still bullish, and the daily candle that it started creating is definitely bullish as well. Let's look at the 4-hour, and the 4-hour is creating a lot of rejections over here. I wouldn't even mind seeing Bitcoin going back down to 44,985. It will be an awesome opportunity if we can capitalize on that. But at the same time, I'm still very bullish on it. We said it over here when Bitcoin went down. I still remember those days. Do you remember, ladies and gentlemen? I still remember those days when Bitcoin was going down after the holidays. Look at that. And it created a double bottom because Marathon started buying at 31,000. And then MicroStrategy started buying around 34,000. That's when everything started to go up. Tesla making an investment of $1.5 billion, creating bullish candles, and Bitcoin creating more upside. I'm liking it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's be patient about it. If there's any other dip that we can capitalize on, we can definitely do that. And ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you are doing some beautiful with Bitcoin. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. Or do you think that Bitcoin will go down to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob? Mr. SpongeBob, how are ya? Oh, I'm here to give you opportunities. Dang it, Spongy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see over here now what we got with regarding. Whoa, SoCal X, mi hermanillo, thank you for the support. Now you are a kicking booty member. Oh my goodness. Toasty indeed. Thank you, my friend. I remember David said, gee, I remember David said 17,500 is a discount price, so I got a small portion. Thank you. There you go. And you are doing amazing, G. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm enjoying the ride. Hopefully, guys, the audio sounds good. I don't know. I'm a little bit worried about it, but hopefully you understand what I'm saying. If you don't, just look at the chart, and if it makes sense, let me know. If it doesn't, ask, and I'll write it. I'll write it down. But I can't stop doing the show because, you know, we gotta keep on moving forward, like Andrew Yang says.
Oh yeah!
Okay, guys, but let's go ahead and take a look at this article, which is very, very interesting to me. And say hi in the chat room, members. I will get to the highs in a little bit once I finish this article. Crypto trading platform Epiphany considering going public following Coinbase lead. So ladies and gentlemen, yes, cryptocurrency trading platform Epiphany said Tuesday that it could go public before year's end. Today, we're announcing that we're considering going public to help accelerate our growth even more. The San Francisco-based company said in a statement. Epiphany offered few details such as whether it expects to file a traditional initial public offering or merge with a special purpose acquisition company. I cannot disclose details yet, a spokesman told Seeking Alpha. I can say we're evaluating a number of options and are aiming to finish the process by the end of this year. The company's Epiphany Connect platform gives institutional traders access to multiple crypto markets around the world at once, which the firm says allows clients to get the best pricing. The 24 exchanges that it has partnered with to date include Crypto.com, Huobi Global, OKEx, KuCoin, BitMax, and HBTC. Epiphany also operates X1 Plus, which is a market-making platform that allows smaller exchanges to get liquidity. The 2-year-old company's trading volume has quadrupled over the past 3 months. For instance, it's currently trading about $1.1 billion of Bitcoin per month. The company reportedly plans use funds from going public to finance aggressive expansion. We think there's more vertical ways to improve these products, like having better algorithms, faster connections, and having more robust servers that can process more transactions per second. Very interesting. CEO Hao Han Chu told CoinDesk. The news comes as Coinbase, the biggest U.S. crypto exchange, is preparing to go public via direct listing that some estimate could value that company at $28 billion motherfucking dollars. Holy mofungos. Epiphany's plans also come at a time when Bitcoin has been trading at a near record of 47,000. And as you already know, guys, Bitcoin, mira, Alpha contributor D.H. Taylor recently argued that Bitcoin could eventually hit 150,000. D.H. Taylor, guys. So we can take just add his name over here, guys. 150,000 for Bitcoin. Bitty bitty Bitcoin. Why not, my friend? Why not? I'm very excited to see. Mira, we already got the 146,000 over here. Let's go ahead and add the 150,000 for bitty 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 Bitcoin. Let's see over here. D.H. Taylor, 150,000. Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, just leaving some targets from different analysts. And right now, Bitcoin is in a very interesting moment. I think that if Apple gets to start getting into the crypto wallet game, that's going to be very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. Anyways, hopefully the sound sounds better. And if it doesn't, I am sorry. But you know what? We got to move forward. Let's see over here what we got. We got Matthew Grado, Greasy Nugget. Woo! We got Danny Corrales, Jason Park, Donald Murphy, I Azul. We got Matthew Grado, Donald Murphy, Brandon Morris, Gloria Guzman. Gloria, guten verte. Mira. Romaine Thomas. We got Donald Murphy again. 24 Mayhem 7. John Natico, Joshua LaFontaine, Holy Mofongos, ladies and gentlemen. Christopher Anang, El Chamuco. We are gonna review SNDL, my friend, don't worry. Christopher Anang, good to see you. Romaine Thomas, Bitcoin still going back to 9,500. Romaine, wow. Opportunities? Yes, I will love opportunities. Why not? Echamuco, SoCal, you think it's still gonna go up? I was told to hold it between 4 and 9. 4 9 what? For $9? Dude, Bitcoin for me is a long-term investment, my friend. You guys are starting to see things evolve in front of your eyes, even with Bitcoin and the possibilities with it. We're just waiting for a little bit more. I think there's a lot of potential for Bitcoin. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Matthew Grado. Rai. Good to see you all, my friends. I hope that you are leveling up as you always are each day coming up over here, man. I really appreciate you all participating in the videos. You already know that because you're spending time over here with the community and just reviewing the news and the charts, making sure that we are good with the current news and we are updated with everything. Like, for example, one of those things that have been being talked about a lot, and I am sure some of you are getting tired of it, but GameStop AMC's moonshots are inflating a bond bubble, ARK Invest would. So here's very interesting. Equities are not in a bubble currently, but bonds are. And the recent squeeze moves in names targeted by retail investors like GameStop and AMC are further evidence, ARK Investment Management CEO Kathy Wood says. The bond bubble is also being fueled by private equity, and it's amazing how private equity will continue to leverage up even mature companies, Wood said on ARK's monthly webinar. And it's equity markets that are bailing bondholders out of their mistakes. Like the GameStops and AMC, the moonshots that they're enjoyed because of call buying and catching hedge funds off sides. What we've seen there is a company like AMC whose bonds were selling at 5 cents on the dollar. They have moved up to 80 cents, Wood said. Why have they done that? The move up in the stock gave AMC the opportunity to do an equity offering. Who will be left holding the bag if AMC goes bankrupt? Stocks are not in a bubble, but there are a lot of value traps evolving, Wood says. There has been an outflow in equities of $300 billion since 2018 and inflow of $1 trillion to bonds. There is also a bifurcation? Bifurcation? Is that how you say it? Chewy, you're not gonna say it for me, man. This time you're gonna laugh. Thank you, Chewy. Thank you. I appreciate your support. Inequities between companies that are on the leading edge of innovation and companies that have catered to short-term investors with financial engineering leveraging to buy back stock and pay dividends, she said. The innovative companies will grow into their valuations much like Amazon has done over time, Wood added. And ladies and gentlemen, with that said, I want to move to the next article, which is, let me see. Is it the same? I'm sure it's the same. It is the same. So I just want to take a look at GME and see how it's performing right now. See what we got with GameStop Corporation. So GameStop today, dudes and dudettes, still going down. Man, oh man. And we've been saying over here, guys, that we wanted to see that 200 EMA being retested. Currently at $50.32. No, actually, post-market, see, 53.11. Not bad. Hey. 5.3%. I still believe in this company, though. I like GameStop. I like it a lot. I think there's potential, but for now, A lot of people got a lot of money, and some people lost a lot of money. And I know there are some people in this channel that are here because of this movement, right? Because you're curious about the technicals. You're like, let me see what happened over here. It looks so messy, guys. I'm going to be very honest. It's just a big jump that happened, 480, and it was insane. Now we're back down to reality, to $53.11. I still believe there's potential in this company. I like this company for the long term. I don't think there is support created right now, which I want to see. I want to even see to have a little bit of life. I'm not going to be very honest. I want to see a break of a resistance over here, or at least a break above the 14 EMA. And right now we're not getting it. We need a little bit of more bullish candles. But we'll see. I know there's a lot of people out there that have capitalized on this opportunity. I know some of you have lost money with it, but it's fine. You know, it's a lesson. It's a lesson, and a lot of things started to be revealed because of this current situation with GameStop. I can't predict anything right now with it. Oh, but David, you took a lot of time talking about that. I mean, it can go back down to $26, $27. I see the 200 EMA on the daily there. On the weekly, I can see the 50 EMA at 27.72. On the 4-hour, I see $43. And the NYU professor said $47 was very optimistic. We reached there, we rejected, and we started to go up. Even now at 53.11, which it is equal to 5.5%. And then I'm going to review AMC. Why not? A lot of people want me to review it, so I'm going to do it right now for all of you. And then if somebody asks, tell them, hey, can you check out the beginning of the video? David already reviewed GameStop and AMC. To the moon! That's what they say, huh? That's what they say. AMC, guys, over here, $5.56. I'm so glad that the entries that we got were at $2.95. And guys, I'm still expecting a little bit of more downside. I think 550 kind of makes sense to me. It will even reach the 200 EMA. And a break of a trend line will be the thing to review, guys. I know some of you have been like, oh man, let me get in that ride. You started the ride over here at $16, $15, and it just crashed the party. It hurts, but you learn. And now this is why I do the videos every day, because I want to provide perspective to the next moves, so you don't get stuck in this ride over here. I want you to be prepared to get in a ride over here at $2.70, at $2, at $4. Good prices, not over here. I don't want you to get caught in any of that. That's why I do these videos, and we're gonna move forward. If there's any member out there that want to share their story with the community today, just by letting them know how this channel, just by being a subscriber, if it did anything positive, that will be awesome. You know what? I should do a poll. I'm gonna do a poll. I'm gonna do a motherfucking poll, ladies and gentlemen. But give me a second, because I gotta take a look at GSAT. A lot of people talking about it. We have been discussing. We talked about it in our Discord community, ladies and gentlemen. And if you want to become a member, check out the join button below. Global Star, it is the one to review. Global Star jumps 21% as Qualcomm includes band N53 in new 5G modem. Global Star GSAT is jumping up 21.1% after news that Qualcomm is including Global Star's band N53 in the new 5G X65 modem, Qualcomm's flagship. And by the way, shout out to, I believe it was Danny Corrales, or was it Danny Corrales or Cameron? Let me know, guys, in the chat room. The modem adds global 5G band support for N53, and that significantly expands the potential device ecosystem to include top smartphones, laptops, tablets, automated equipment, and Internet of Things modules. It also offers greater 5G deployment flexibility with increased spectrum aggregation options. Qualcomm's support of band N53 represents a significant milestone in our efforts to commercialize our spectrum in the US and all other countries where we have or expect to obtain terrestrial authority, says VP of Strategy Kyle Pickens. And ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at GSAT. Global Star. David, what is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. David, what is that? It is GSAT's going up. David, what is that? Man, oh man, early in the show, what a beautiful move for Global Star, already making moves to $2.08 was the close. Ladies and gentlemen, members, did you capitalize on this? Global Star making good moves. I'm liking the move, and I'm liking that there was some beautiful rejection over here, creating some higher lows. I can see that we had this resistance that we broke, which it was a very good bullish flag. Man, GSAT was creating amazing structure, and you can even see the GSAT was creating good structure even at lows of 35s, guys. Looking at the weekly, look at this. Insane. We are above the 200 EMA, which I'm appreciating a lot on the weekly. Emily, let me go ahead and look at the monthly. And the monthly, as you can see, it can definitely go to $2.60, $2.99. It can go to $3.50s or even $4.55. And we are looking very, very good for the monthly. Starting to look very, very nice. And one of the things that I really liked about Global Star is that on the monthly candles, you can see that there was a break of a trend line. Look at that. Beautiful break of a trend line, breaking the resistance at 48 cents and continuing with the bullish momentum, looking like a rocket. And GSAT, ladies and gentlemen, even though at the end of the day, it retraced a little bit, it was necessary. And I do believe that GSAT can even retrace back down to $1.50. That will be an awesome opportunity. Can you imagine? Maybe they do some offerings at 150s, whatever it is, and then just continuing with the bullish momentum, which I believe it has. I think we are starting to see the market as we wanted to see. I am liking that our happy seeds are becoming happy trees. Yes, and sometimes patience is the name of the game, and you're gonna be kicking booty, you're gonna be doing amazing, you're gonna make money work. And you can even see that GSAT has potential to go to 1783. Okay, guys, a lot of potential to go to 783. That means that we have some opportunities to keep going. 770%. Ladies and gentlemen, this is insane. Congratulations to the members. If you're a member, give me some Hadoukens or give me some coins. Let's celebrate this amazing move. Oh my goodness, let's go ahead and review now Enphase Energy because I have it in my list. Why not? And let's do EMPH. I really want to say hi to everyone. I am sorry that I'm not reviewing right now the chat room as I should, but I just wanna take out some articles from here, from my list. Maybe I'll review Palantir. No, before I do Palantir, I'm gonna say hi to everybody. Or whoever is in late. Enphase Energy powers higher after easy Q4 earnings beat. So Enphase Energy, ladies and gentlemen, post-market 6 0.1% after reporting stronger than expected fourth quarter earnings and revenues, while guiding first quarter revenues above estimates. Fourth quarter non-GAAP gross margin came in at 40.2% versus guidance of 38% to 41% and 37.3% in the year ago quarter. Fourth quarter cash flow from operations was $84.2 million. Thank you very much, Donald Murphy, for that beautiful blessing, my friend. Hadouken to you. Hadouken to you. Now I got lost. The company says it achieved record microinverter systems sell-through from distributors to installers in the fourth quarter, resulting in lower than usual channel inventory as it exited the quarter. CEO Badri Kodandaraman says Enphase experienced constraints in the global semiconductor supply chain in the fourth quarter, but the issues are manageable and the problem should ease over the next 2 months. Enphase also issues upside guidance for the first quarter, seeing revenues of $280 million and $300 million versus $258.1 million analyst consensus estimate, and forecast non-GAAP gross margin of 38% to 41%. Solar energy stocks have rallied since President Biden's election, and Enphase could be set to challenge its record intraday high to $222.43. Let's review Enphase Energy. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh yeah! Oh my goodness. Thank you very, very much, Patrick Ciareta, for that beautiful blessing. Thank you. I really appreciate it, Patrick. Oh my goodness. Woo! Man, oh man. Enphase Energy after hours, dudes and dudettes, from $200. Wow, wow, wow. It is insane. It is insane. Let's review EMPH. Wow. Even the portfolio. Wow. Enphase Energy, $211.50, guys. Look at that. And we actually expected Enphase Energy to go up. It did go up. $211.50. Look at that. That's 7%. I do believe that Enphase Energy can even go to 322s. And we talked about Enphase over here, man. I still remember Enphase Energy at $16, $30. I remember all of this. Man, what a ride it has been. Beautiful upside for Enphase Energy. And as I said already, I do believe it can go to $222.29, which is a move of 12.39. My next target is 241 and 271. Enphase Energy, guys. What a beautiful thing. What do you think, Randy? Oh, yeah. I think so. Oh, yeah. Okay, now let me review the chat room real quick. I'm going to leave bitty bitty Bitcoin in the background. So if you're watching me on TV and I look like I'm crazy, well, first, okay, and then the second thing is that I'm going to review the chat room and I want to say hi to the members and the subscribers over here. Want to show some respect. You know how it is. So I'm getting a lot of requests. I'm going to request something from you. If you're going to stick around with us until the last article, which, by the way, is going to be APHA. Oh, right. I haven't said what I'm going to review. I'm going to review Palantir, Space, which is, yes, that one. Virgin Galactic, see that? That's why the other one. Workhorse, DraftKings, Apple, Twitter, LYFT. Oh, I got Twitter again. Whoa, Roku, Bionanogenomics. I'm going to do UAVS, which is a drone stock, Sundial Growers, and APHA. So I'm going to review all of them after I do review the chat room. Banner, David. The banner. Dude, I know. I took it out. Thank you for reminding me, bro. Thank you for reminding me. Oh, my goodness. I knew that I had the banner. Joshua LaFontaine, good to see you. Who else we got? SoCal, mi hermanillo.
Roar.
Good to see you. John Snack.
Roar.
Snacking away. We got Steve.
Roar.
What's up? Best YouTuber alive? Tell that YouTuber that David and Chewy send a lot of love. Con mucho, mucho amor, you know? Let's see. Man, oh man, thank you for that beautiful comment, my friend. Thank you for that. Steve, you making me blush over here, Steve? Nah, I'm kidding. But I do want to take a picture of that. Where the heck is it? Steve, you gotta become a member. That's why I didn't find you, bro. I was like, where is Steve? And I just can't find you because you don't have the little icon. You know how it is. By the way, guys, follow me on Instagram, DEIVED. Let's see who else we got. Danny Corrales. GME shares halted after dropping 34%. Dang it. J-Ho, good to see you. I like the company. I don't like to talk about it every day. Better opportunities, but I still love the show. Greasy my nugget, obviously. Azuka says new look top restoration. Good to see you, mi hermanillo. Mr. Simon, mi hermanillo. Any news update on the short interest on AMC? Not specifically. I'm just looking at AMC like it's very, very low. David, GSAT was provided by Cameron with an article in the Discord. I remember reading and hustle some bucks to get in. See? Dude, I'm telling you. Cameron, shout out to you, my friend. Cowabunga. Cowabunga indeed. Nothing but golden nuggets in the Discord. You know it, man. Ricky Hueso, good to see you. I'm going to take the request after I'm done with the news, so I have it all written down. Philip Drake, good to see you. Torchlight Energy. Guys, I'm like I said, and you got to provide me a little bit of more context as to why you want me to review your favorite symbol. Good Lord, you're not kicking booty. You're chopping it into pieces. Wait, what? Patrick Saneta, what happened? What happened? Where is it? Espérate, whoa, Patrick, what? Patrick?
Boom shakalaka.
Patrick? Oh my goodness. Patrick, holy motherfuckers, dude. That is insane. Congratulations to your, oh my goodness, Patrick. That is amazing. The number that you're achieving. And I know that Patrick has been working very, very hard to get to that level. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't know. Patrick, do you wanna share some amazing words to the amazing community? I'm gonna wait for that comment to be written. Okay, my friend?
Roar.
Keep on roaring away. Let's review Palantir over here. Over here. Let's review over here. Palantir. Sorry, guys. Me comía tatín. Palantir stock surges on IBM deal. Is it a buy now?
Roar.
Should investors consider Palantir stock in their portfolio? So Palantir Technologies is a tech company that has mostly been in the spotlight since it went public last September. For the uninitiated, the software giant provides big data analytical services for massive clients. In 2003, the company began with funding from PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel. The company managed to secure deals from various U.S. government agencies. They include the Central Intelligence Agency, the Defense Department, and Internal Revenue Service. Across the Atlantic, the UK National Health Service is also a client. You can see the breadth of Palantir's analytics services. Whether it's locating bombs, looking for tax frauds, or managing a pandemic, Palantir has ways to contribute. Given its clientele, is no surprise that investors are watching Palantir stock closely. This week, Palantir and International Business Machines announced a major partnership on open artificial intelligence AI applications for business. The product could simplify how businesses build and deploy AI applications with IBM Watson and help users make sense of vast amounts of data. These will also allow easier access for non-technical customers. With an availability as early as March 2021, we could be looking at a catalyst to drive revenue in the coming quarters. What's the big deal between Palantir and IBM? The new product will integrate Palantir Foundry with IBM data and AI services. The easy-to-use solution enables the use of AI in decision-making and process automation. Isn't this freaking Terminator?
Oh, no!
At a time when digital transformation is crucial for enterprises, you can see how this offering resonates with investors. According to a recent survey sponsored by IBM, approximately 3/4 of businesses are either already implementing AI into their operations or are planning how to do so. The new partnership aims to meet the growing need for application development tools that can be used by customers with a non-technical background. And then Palantir and BP partners up to accelerate energy transition as well, guys. And then can Palantir fend off potential competitors? I am sure they can. So the company's main competitors include Splunk and Verint Systems. These are technology companies that focus on business intelligence or data management. Palantir's strong relationship with government agencies in major markets makes it one of the most compelling investments in the market. Apart from the US, the company has been working alongside the other companies in the UK to develop a COVID-19 database for the National Health Services. The success of these projects will no doubt strengthen the company's outlook, which is already strong for 2020. Okay, bottom line, thank you. All in all, Palantir remains an attractive investment because the company continues to build a book of contracts. The string of partnerships may not convince investors enough, but his major deal with IBM this week certainly solidifies its range of offerings. As the company expands, shareholders could be looking at respectable long-term rewards. There is a decent chance of the company raising guidance when it reports quarterly results next week. Palantir has been speeding up its efforts to gain more clients in the private sector. Therefore, investors can expect further collaborations to materialize in the months to come. Palantir's data analytics services could be important used to clients in a variety of different sectors, with organizations of all sorts of dealing with more data. The ability to obtain insights from this data will be crucial, whether it is to gain efficiency or to enable better understanding of customers. Anyways, guys, I do think that Palantir makes sense, especially when you work with data. PLTR is the symbol. And guys, Palantir, as you already know, we are very bullish on it. $38.14. I'm still expecting Palantir to go back up to $45. A lot of people were saying that Palantir was a meme, but for me it isn't. There's a lot of value. Like we said, in 2021, one of the themes is data analytics. You already know, technology, a lot of stay at home, work from home technology, and even 5G. Medicine is coming up next, but I do think Palantir getting there with data is very important and is performing very, very nicely. Already up, ladies and gentlemen, from our previous entry, 13%, which is good. I'm expecting a little bit of more upside to 45. After that, even 51, as I already had, which is a move of 52%. What do you think about that, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
I agree. It's a...
Oh, yeah!
Okay, let's go ahead and move forward. With space. This is something that doesn't have a symbol, but I did want to review I wanted to review this one. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. This is the Deived show. It's not the Green Tom show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. SpaceX to IPO Starlink after crash flow can be predicted. So SpaceX is taking down $99 refundable pre-orders for its Starlink satellite internet service. Starlink users in the beta program also paid $499 for a Starlink kit with a Wi-Fi router and user terminal to connect to the satellite. The company's website indicates SpaceX is targeting coverage in mid to late 2021 for some regions and 2022 in others. The service will launch first in the US, Canada, and the UK. On Twitter earlier today, Elon Musk said Starlink will IPO after its cash flow can be projected reasonably well. SpaceX also aims to launch the first all-civilian space mission this year. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward since there's nothing else for me to review over there. But one that is kind of related to space is Virgin Galactic and Workhorse featured on short squeeze watch list. S3 Partners highlights 3 stocks on its list of 200 names with short squeeze pressure. S3's Ihor Dusawaks notes Virgin Galactic Holdings has a large short interest of $2.02 billion and a stock borrow cost over 2% fee. We've seen $271 million of short covering over the last 30 days as they are down negative $1.16 billion in mark-to-market losses, he notes. Per Dusavnevsky, Workhorse Group has short interest of $1.3 billion and shorts already covered 1.3 million shares over the last week as they lost around 247 million or negative 20%. Workhorse shorts are now down 621 million, negative 64% in mark-to-market losses over the last 30 days, he calculates. The last stock highlighted is Ligand Pharmaceuticals, which has large 30-day mark-to-market losses. The 1.5 billion of shorts are down 976 million, negative 73% over the last 30 days, and we have already seen 1.6 million shares covered over the last week. Updates Dusarvadaski. Things are especially interesting with Virgin Galactic as the company has the window for its test flight opening up on February 13th.
Oh, no!
What happened, Mario? That's actually good. Thank you. Okay, so let's review over here SPCE and Workhorse. I'm going to do Workhorse. I don't care. I'm going to do it. Okay? I'm going to do it. Okay, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes. Woo! David, what is that? We're making profit. David, what is that? It is SPCE is going up. Oh my goodness, guys. $56.67 is not bad at all. I am very, very feliz como una lombriz. I don't know about you, man. I'm dancing over here. You just can't see my feet because you know what I'm saying, man. You know what I'm saying. Mira para allá, man. On the weekly, you can see we're creating higher highs, which we were expecting this, man. We've been talking about SPCE since $9, which was one of the biggest drops. Shout out to my friend Elon J. Downs. I don't know where you are, my friend, but shout out to you. You have been so crucial to this channel, my friend. Very happy to have you in this community. And guys, $56.72 right now for, let's see over here. Whoa. Let me see the daily over here. David, what is that? Oh my goodness, guys. My computer is like, there you go. Come on. A little bit more. Wait until Apple releases the new computer. Come on, Apple. I still think that this can go up 12.35%. Virgin Galactic, great potential, 69.77. And I'm sorry for those guys that are shorting the market. I would never, guys. I don't know. I don't short the market. I'm just a bull at heart, I guess. But I do see when potentials are going to be happening going to the downside. I've sold a lot, but more in the Forex market, not in the stock market right now. But I'm liking SPCE, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you think about that. SPCE, is it gonna be a,
Shoryuken.
or will it go down to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob Bobby? And WKHS is the next one to review from this particular article. Workhorse has been performing exactly as we wanted to see, ladies and gentlemen. It did create the higher high, the higher low. It broke the motherfucking flag. Look at this. It created the flag, guys. A beautiful, beautiful flag. It broke the flag and it continued. And it made sense. Workhorse has been making sense for so long. Since over here, $2, $4 has been making sense. You can see over here, guys, that we broke the trend line as well. Similar to the flag, but let me show you here the weekly. This is what I want to show you. That was the flag that I'm talking about. See that? So opportunities weren't over here only at freaking 22s. They were even lower. So as we progress with time and the contracts get solid and the companies make profit, well, that's when we were gonna start going to the upside, guys. And I think that Workhorse makes sense, especially with that USPS contract, which is, rumor has it, only a rumor. We don't know. We'll see what's happening there. What do you think, Randy? Is that another?
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Randy. Man, it's so good to work with you.
Oh yeah.
Do you like working with me?
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Randy. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and review now DraftKings, DKNG. DraftKings, ooh-wee. Ladies and gentlemen. Sounds issues again? Well, I don't care, man, because we're going to move forward, bro. I said it already in the beginning, and it's going to happen until I have a better computer. Oh, no, they don't want me to finish the video. The aliens don't want me to finish the video, and I got so much to review. I got DraftKings, Apple, Twitter, LYFT, Roku, Bionanogenomics, Sundial Growers, and Afria. I know, so I can't finish the video. Oh no. Okay, guys, let's review now. But David, what is that? It is the microphone. It is crackling. DraftKings and Penn stumble on report Texas sports betting push is stalling. So DraftKings and Penn National Gaming turn lower of a new development with sports betting legislation in Texas. Texas LT Governor Dan Patrick told a radio host in Lubbock today that he doesn't see support for sports betting in the Texas Senate at the moment. Man. Whoop. Siri, I didn't call you. Whoa. Take it easy. It is not even an issue that's going to see the light of the day this session, stated Patrick. Patrick, you stated this? Oh, my goodness. The negative update follows a report yesterday that the Dallas Cowboys, Texas Rangers, and Dallas Mavericks are all backing legislation that would allow Texans to vote on the sports betting issue. Taking a look at the latest development, Morgan Stanley notes that due to the biennial Texas legislative calendar, if sports betting is not passed this year, it will not be voted on until 2023. Woo, Texas. Ooh, you're getting a hit over there with opportunities. But you know what? I'm going to review DKNG. I don't care. I'm going to do it. But David, the sound. I know, man. I know it sucks. But you know what? We got to move forward, bro. We got to do it. And I don't care if it sounds bad. At least look at the charts. And if I can answer over here, I will definitely answer. And I haven't said hi to everybody. But thank you, my friend, for letting me know that we are still having some bongs and bing bongs here like freaking Trump used to say. Okay, guys, so let's review here. DraftKings going down today. Well, kind of expected. We already reached our investment target, which was $66, $65. My target was $64. And I do believe it can even go to more upside to $70. It's just that right now, you just need a little bit of a retracement DraftKings getting a little bit of a hit with Texas, but I think maybe tomorrow we can have another article saying, hey, DraftKings good over here or there. Only Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday, as you already know. So there's still potential for this to go up. I'm going to keep an eye on it. But if it gets to drop, for example, if it gets to drop to $53, which is 14%, that will be an awesome opportunity because I do believe DraftKings can even continue with some more momentum. It just requires a little bit of a pullback. And the same can happen with PENN. Man, oh man, this computer is really bugging me. PENN. It's like as if I never used this computer. It doesn't even make sense. I'm sorry, guys. I really do apologize. But we got to move forward. So Penn National Gaming, as you can see, it did go down a little bit, which was expected. We already reached our targets of 128. Almost reached our 130 for Penn National Gaming. Looked very, very good. And I still think it can go even further. For now, any retracement, for example, at $111, that will be an awesome opportunity. Let's say that it broke even the, let me look over here, resistance level of 123.74, something like that will be awesome to see. And a break of a trend line will be better to confirm it. I like the 50 EMA, starting to look good. If we get good rejections, the move can be at least 10.79%. If it gets to drop a little bit lower, say that it goes to 104, it can even go back once again. I do believe that Penn National Gaming can get there. That's 24%. So keep that in mind for those who have not invested in these companies and you're interested in them. Any pullbacks is an opportunity. But obviously, if you would have been here a little bit earlier, you could have known that PENN crashed down up to $4.44 from 62, okay? And this has been the whole trend that we have been watching. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, what an interesting thing. What an interesting thing. Let me leave Bitcoin in the background real quick. I just want to catch up with the subscribers and members real quick. Let's see where we are right now. I'm confused what to do. All my charts are frozen like this. So when you do that, just close your computer and buy a new one, which is what I'm trying to do. Stranded in PR, good to see you. Good mofongo morning. Man, Sense Stock has been taking off. So glad I got it. Woo! SCNS, I'm glad that you're mentioning it. But hey, not yet. We haven't finished the video. I haven't finished APHA. APHA is my last one. Love this community, and David helped me quite a bit with the technicals to complement my fundamental research. Thank you, D. Thank you, community. There you go. From the one and only, the Master Yoda, Patrick Ciaretta. Holy mofongo. Loving it, Patrick. Loving the amazing comments. Thank you for that. And I apologize, guys. I know the sound sometimes it gets a little bit buggy, but it happens. It happens. Let's see over here. I'm doing good, man. All-time highest with my portfolio, 158% increase. And yes, about 90 different companies. I'm having a hard time keeping up with them. But man, oh man, that's a good number. Manuel, good to see you, mi hermani. Obviously, Hadoukens to this, guys, my friends. Oh my goodness. SOS by dude, Eric. We already have been reviewing SOS. Very glad that you're requesting it, but hey, not yet. Let me finish the news. Stunts indeed. My friend over here, Real RX Nin. Good to see you. I think ARC comes out next month. Oh, yes, I believe so. Just keep an eye on that. Saving so big for that. That's actually good. Gennaro, good evening. David, master of Microsoft Paint. Thank you for that, my friend. Been a strong and difficult journey. Hold my position for canopy growth, but paid off and got over $39. I needed to. Oh my goodness. Man, oh man. Saludos to you, Gabriel Ruiz. Eric Lopez, what do you think about... Dude, Eric, you gotta be patient, bro. A lot of subscribers already requesting, and I'm telling them the same thing. You gotta be patient with me for requests. But I'm gonna review it. Solus Prime, Sun W, Daily MACD, a cool down, bullish setup. Hey, Solus Prime, the same goes for you. But welcome to the channel, mi hermanillo. In my experience, I get better results concentrating on the ones I have conviction. There you go, Patrick.
Roar.
Good. Texas is very set in its conservative ways. What is your rate of return 1 year? Profit year to date, 30%. Last 12 months, 139%. Toxic Maestro, welcome, Toxic. And every new user and subscriber, I suggest saying hi to everybody. We do the videos with a lot of love. So it's like manners matter, you know, because there's amazing entrepreneurs and great investors in here. And I don't know, I will say hi to everybody. Yo, good to see you. That's awesome. 70% for 12 months. Just got active in the last 4 months. Was just sitting on safe stonks. Now I'm very active. Look at that. I know, Chewy. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm hoping Chewy and Jug have a great tomorrow with ZOM. Fat Nuts, good to see you. Sitting on empty nuts full of golden nuggets. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and move forward. We're going to review now Apple. Yes, after those beautiful, amazing dolphins. Let's review now this article, and it goes like this. Apple, Samsung led semiconductor buying last year. So Apple remained the top semiconductor chip buyer in 2020 with 12% of the overall market according to new Gartner data. Samsung was second with an 8% market share. Huawei spent 23% less on the year compared to the over 20% gains for Apple and Samsung due to increased U.S. trade restrictions. The company still came in third with a 4% share. Lenovo and Dell rounded out the top 5 with a 4% and 3.7% share respectively. Two major factors impacted the top OEM semiconductor spending in 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic and the political conflict between the U.S. and China, says Gartner Research Director Masatsune Yamaji. The pandemic weakened the demand for 5G smartphones and disrupted vehicle production, but drove the demand for mobile PCs and video games, as well as the investment in cloud data centers through 2020. Furthermore, a rise in memory prices in 2020 resulted in increased OEM chip spending through the year. And guys, that's actually very, very interesting regarding the semiconductor sector, but the one that I want to review is Apple. That's it. That's all I want to do. I will do anything for love, but I won't do that. Weird song, right, guys? But anyways, I actually like Apple. I do believe it can go to the upside. Today is retracing a little bit, still holding on the trend line. If Apple wants to drop a little bit to 134 or 130s or 126, I will be excited about that. I still have some buy stops at 137. I do believe Apple can come out with something good pretty soon. Like I'm expecting the new iMac. I'm expecting the MacBook Pro 16-inch so David can replace it and have a good video without that freaky crackling, popping thing in the microphone. I'm expecting now Apple getting into the to the digital wallet area, man. I think they can definitely expand on that. They already got a credit card, so maybe having a crypto wallet inside of their wallet will be interesting. What do you think about that? The electric vehicle car, augmented reality glasses, that will be awesome to see. I will be very excited to see the next steps from Apple. You know what? I'm going to turn off these lights. Maybe my computer is getting a little bit, peaky with the lights. I don't know, man. My computer is on fire, bro. It's on fire. But Apple, for me, is still a long-term investment. I do like 160 as a target, even 175, which is a very optimistic target from Wedbush, and even higher. I got Loop Ventures at 200, guys. You can see that. Great potential for Apple. I'm going to keep an eye on it, and if there's any downside from it, I'm going to capitalize on the opportunity. Like I said, having buy limits, 134, maybe 130, even at 126, yeah, will be great potential opportunities. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward.
Guess what, bitch?
What?
Coronavirus.
Cardi, I think, dang it, Cardi. I'm glad that you're still here, though. So let's review now Twitter. I got 2 articles. So yeah, because Twitter had some news today, guys. Obviously, they reported earnings, and I want to review those numbers. So here we go. But David, what is that? The Apple car? Exactly, Lisa Nell. Welcome to the channel, and exactly, very, very good. Good evening, Omar Valentin. Good to see you, mi hermanillo. Holy mofongo. This day, huh? Yeah, Philip Drake. Philip Drake. You know it, man. You know how it started.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus, man. Dang you, coronavirus. Really changed everything, huh? Twitter EPS. And I hope you and your family are safe. Keep practicing social distancing, washing your hands, cover your mouth. No sea un cochino, okay? And consider your neighbor. Twitter EPS beats by 0.07 beats on revenue. Twitter fourth quarter non-GAAP EPS of 0.38 beats by 0.07. GAAP EPS of 0.27 beats by 0.11. Revenue of $1.29 billion beats by $100 million. Monetizable daily active users. This is interesting, guys. Of 192 million. 27% higher for the year. Versus consensus of 193.5 million. So they expected more. For the first quarter 2021, company expects total revenue to be between $940 million and $1.04 billion. GAAP operating income to be between a loss of $50 million and break even. For FY21, company expects stock-based compensation expense to be between $525 million and $575 million, and capital expenditures to be between $900 million and $950 million. And the next article, is it the same? Come on, David. Is it the same? It isn't. Twitter higher early after fourth quarter beat, though user growth fell short.
Hey, what happened?
Twitter is 1.7% higher in some choppy trading after hours following fourth quarter earnings, where it handily beat expectations for revenues and profits through user growth of 27% trail consensus slightly. Revenues rose nearly 28% to $1.29 billion, a record with better than expected performance across all major products and geographies, says CFO Ned Segal. Total ad revenue was up 31% year over year, and there was greater than 50% growth in mobile application promotion revenue. Net income jumped $222 million from a year ago, income of $119 million. Monetizable daily active users also rose about 27% to an average of $192 million, just short of expectations. The company will hit 193.5. We already said that, man. U.S. average MDAUs was 37 million, up from 31 a year ago. International MDAU was 155, up from 121. And guys, net cash from operation was 330 million versus a year ago of 277 million. For the first quarter, it's guiding to revenue of 940 to 1.04 billion and GAAP operating income between 50 million and break even. It expects capex in 2021 of 900 to 950 million. It also says that in 2021, it expects to grow headcount by more than 20%, especially in engineering, product design, and research. Alongside that, it expects total costs and expenses to grow 25% or more, but assuming continued pandemic improvement, it expects total revenues to grow faster than expenses. And let's see what we got with TWTR. Said that it moved 1%, what? 1%, something like that. So Twitter, wow. And guys, we were actually expecting Twitter to go up. And hey, it reached my target today, even before the earnings. So I'm very, very happy about that. I was expecting some retracement after the earnings, but it seems like Twitter, TWTR, see, man, the platform, man, I think Apple is just bugging a little bit. 61.71, guys, 61.71. So it keeps on going up. I'm expecting now 65 as a target, guys, and even 75. I like Twitter. It makes sense. Jack Dorsey, the CEO, he has a lot of users, and I think that investing in more user experience and different features will be definitely necessary for Twitter to evolve, and I think it requires evolution for this company. What do you think about this one, Chewy? I agree. Thank you, Chewy. Thank you.
Bruh.
Okay, guys, let's go ahead and review now from Twitter. Let's review LYFT. Wow. What a move from Twitter, guys. What a move. And we've been writing it since 26, by the way. Since $26. That's what we've been writing here. And it's already up to 61 something. Look at this right. Let me just give you perspective, by the way. Oh, but David, but David, what is that? We're making profit? We're making profit. But David, what is that? It is Twitter. It has been going up. Guys, 136% already in profit for Twitter. Just made sense. Made sense to me. Let's see what else we got. LYFT reports upside fourth quarter revenue as cost cuts offset renewed pandemic pressure. LYFT shares are up 6.3% after the bell on the fourth quarter results that top revenue estimates in a challenging quarter that featured renewed pressure from surging COVID-19 cases. Rival Uber is up 3.7%. There's a fight over here ahead of its earning print tomorrow. So, revenue was down 44% for the year to $569.9 million, but up 14% sequentially. Adjusted net loss was $185.3 million, better than expected. $224.7 million loss. Adjusted EBITDA loss was $150 versus $182.7 million loss consensus estimate. Active riders missed estimates with 12.6 million down 45% for the year versus the 13.3 million revenue per active rider beat with 45.40 versus the 42.99. Cash and equivalents totaled $319.7 million at the end of the quarter. Business trends that improved in the third quarter worsened again in the fourth quarter as COVID-19 cases surged and lockdowns spread. LYFT offset the headwinds by reducing driver acquisitions and engagement spend. In the fourth quarter, we successfully eliminated $360 million in fixed cost on an annualized basis versus our original 2020 plan, exceeding our target cost reduction by 20%, says CFO Brian Roberts. Our fourth quarter results also outperform our most recent outlook. And while the first quarter of 2021 continues to be uncertain primarily due to COVID-19 headwinds, based on the current recovery expectations, we should experience a growth inflection beginning in the second quarter that strengthens in the second half of the year. And guys, with that said, let's review over here. LYFT. Just makes sense. And LYFT, dudes and dudettes, look at that. Oh my goodness, $53.64. Where is it after hours though? Let me see where LYFT is after hours. LYFT is the symbol. $59.92. Holy mofongo, guys. We're doing salsa over here. Oh, my goodness. Azúcar. Is that what Celia Cruz used to say? Azúcar. I don't know how she said it, man, but it was pretty awesome. Celia Cruz, an amazing singer. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Randy remembers. And guys, LYFT has been an opportunity since $33, already 76% up. I do believe that LYFT can even go to $87 once everything gets going, my friends. Woo! We are doing amazing. And what about Uber, David? What about Uber? Let's review Uber. Printers go. Let's see over here, guys. Uber. Over here. Oh, my goodness. Just exactly as we wanted to see Uber to go. I'm expecting $68 coming up pretty soon. And Uber for all of you, by the way, guys. 63.45 after hours. So our last investment is already in profits. Look at that beautiful thing. Already 23% up, my friends. Looking very, very nice. Wow. I can't believe the numbers that I'm starting to see over here for different companies. The other one that I wanted to review, which has been an amazing move as well. One of those happy seeds that we planted a long time ago, and now it is becoming a happy tree. It is none other than Roku jumps 9.7% in biggest move since November on heavy volume. Roku is up 9.7% and have touched a new record high on volume that has already surpassed daily average shares. Thus, its biggest intraday gain since November. Some 6.2 million shares have traded hands today versus a recent daily average of just under 5 million for the daily sessions, and is pacing a double average volume. There's no particular news around the stock, though there could be some dip buying after shares fell 1.2% yesterday and amid some fairly range-bound trading over the past week. Guys, let's take a look at Roku. I'm going to do it very, very fast. And Roku, ooh, papo, David, what is that? We're making profit. But David, what is that? It is Roku. It is going up. But guys, we're doing amazing. Roku, as expected, to the upside. We did retrace a little bit, but hey, 5.93% from the last entry. Papo, we went 10.2. We've been reviewing Roku since 150s, and this one is just makes us happy. I'm expecting, I would love to see a little bit of retracement, but I don't think it's going to get there right now. It's just going very, very strong with the weekly. It's still bullish, creating higher highs, creating higher lows. The daily creating bullish, engulfing. And if there's any retracement for Roku, going back down to this broken resistance level over here, back to 450s, that will be awesome. That will be awesome. And let's go ahead and finish the news, guys. So I got 3 more articles that I want to review. And I'm going to do the drone stocks. And then I'll get to your favorite symbols. And it's already 7:53, which I love. I know the sound has been a little bit blah this day, but I don't care, man. I really needed to get this show going, and that's how we do it, even with technical difficulties. Bionano Sapphire, piloted by Canada's largest hospital diagnostic lab. The University Health Network's laboratory medicine program in Toronto is piloting the Sapphire system from Bionano Genomics. The company's Sapphire system is a research-use-only platform to streamline the study of changes in chromosomes known as cytogenetics. The laboratory medicine program is the largest hospital diagnostic lab in Canada and one of the largest in the world. Bionano shares are up 6.3% pre-market, but let's see how it ended up. Holy mofongers, guys. BNGO. Woo! Papo, Bionano created a higher high and a higher motherfucking low. Papo, where is this? Where is this right now? From $11, dude. We went to $12.69. Holy motherfuckers. Let's see over here, guys. BNGO. 1184. So we're actually going up. I'm expecting Bionano to go up, my friends. Let's see the weekly. If he wants to continue, he has to close above 1269. Or break above that. Bionano Genomics on the 4 hour. Not looking that awesome. Let me look at the 1 hour. Still on the trend line. It did break the flag. This is a tough one. Oh, well, over there. No, it actually looks good. It looks good on the 1 hour, guys. It looks good. It's still on the trend line. Yep. And he broke this trend line, which is nice. So if Bionano Genomics breaks 1273, we can go to the next target, which close one will be 1377. After that, I see $14.96 and even $16. So it looks like there's great potential for BNGO to absorb this news tomorrow and kick some booty to the upside. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about BNGO? Are you going to be doing some? Or will he go down to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBobbers? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I know a lot of you have been asking about it. Sundial, SNDL. We're going to do it right motherfucking now. But PJ John, welcome to the channel. John Gunn, good to see you. AB, holy mofongo. Indeed. Rob Ert, good to see you, my friend. I'm going to take requests after I'm done with the last article, which is APHA. Okay? And then I want to do one drone stock after APHA. One drone stock, and I'll get to the review. Okay? Okay, guys. Let's see over here. Okay. Wow. Let's review now. Sundial. Let's do that right motherfucking now. Okay? SNDL, Sundial, is the talk of the town. By the way, guys, this is the Deived show. It's not the Green Tom show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. Yes, and I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there talking about Sundial, but today we're going to review this Motley Fool article and then we'll review the technicals. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that motherfucking bell so you get notified. Why Sundial grower stock soared today? And I know you are wondering, what happened, David? The cannabis company is garnering more attention from traders and investors alike. So shares of Sundial climbed 28.5% on Tuesday. Yep, indeed, guys, on Tuesday. Let me show you real quick. This is the date. Let's remove this. As investors' enthusiasm for marijuana stocks reach a fevered pitch. So what, David? Cannabis stocks entered the week with momentum after Virginia passed bills on Friday that could pave the way for marijuana to be legalized in the state. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. The trend toward legalization remains a key potential growth driver for companies like Sundial, which have taken steps to expand into the potentially massive U.S. cannabis sector or cannabis market. Following its recent stock offerings, Sundial has built up roughly $615 million in cash reserves. Management has suggested that it could allocate some of this cash toward acquisitions as a means to accelerate Sundial's move into the lucrative U.S. market. Maybe they want to get some bitty Bitcoin. Sundial likely also benefited from Canopy Growth's better than expected third quarter results. The marijuana producers' revenue jumped 23% year over year to 153 million Canadian dollars, which equals to $120.5 million. That was above Wall Street's estimates, which had called for revenue of 150 million Canadian. Investors are probably betting that a strong showing from a cannabis industry leader like Canopy bodes well for other marijuana companies. Now, what, David? Like several other low-price stocks, Sundial has caught the attention of traders on social media sites like Reddit. But unlike many of the stocks that these traders have piled into in recent weeks, Sundial's business prospects are moving in the right direction. The wheat producer has paid off its debt, thereby strengthening its balance sheet and reducing the risks for investors. Sundial has also taken steps to cut its operating costs as it works toward achieving profitability. If it can continue to make progress in this regard, more gains could lie ahead for Sundial's shareholders. And ladies and gentlemen, that is why Sundial Grower stock soared today. But David, can we look at the charts?
Hell yeah!
Yeah, we can. Let's review it right now. SNDL for the party, for the people, for everybody. Woo! Oh! David, what is that? We're making profit. But David, what is that? We're kicking booty with Sundial. But David, what is that? We're making profit. But David, what is that? It is SNDL, and it is going up to create higher highs today, ladies and gentlemen, at $1.74. Higher lows at $1.33, closing the daily candle with a bullish engulfing candle, breaking the resistance level of $1.33. What I'm loving is that we cut the last opportunity in, oh my goodness, we mentioned this one in our Discord. We were paying attention to it. It broke this last trend line over here. Everybody was waiting for it. 1, 2, 3 touches of a trend line, and let's go, because that's what it actually does. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 touches of a trend line, and it's going up right now, $1.74. I do believe that Sundial has a lot of potential. Let's look at the monthly real quick, my friends. Let's look at the monthly. Holy motherfuckers, look at that freaking candle. But let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. As you can see, Sundial has created some resistance levels at $3.89. I see some resistance at $5.24, $9.05, and even $13.22. I haven't done the Phoebe. Not yet, guys, because I want to see it show me the strength. And once we get the strength confirmed, I'm going to do the Phoebe. Can't you see that, yes, we're going to be doing the Fibonacci. And guys, once we do it, we will have some price predictions even higher. Should I do it now? Man, is that the video? This is the video clip. You already know that this is the video clip. And guys, I haven't done this since the last... I don't think I even did it for the last clip on Sundial. So this is a first for everybody here, guys. You're getting it here live with me. Let's do the Phoebe. Can you see that we're going to do the Fibonacci? Now we're going to see where it goes. Maybe I'll pull back to capitalize. I don't know, guys. I'm not a rhymer. I'm not talented, dudes. That's what Chewy said before he met me. And now he is motherfucking talented. Right, Chewy? I expected that. I respect that. And guys, let's see over here. $21 Oh my goodness, guys. Look at these expectations. The Fibonacci is giving us a few price predictions already. One of them is $17, $21, and even $34.68, which actually will be a good 35, psychological number. But let's see how much of a difference or price range is, so you have a little bit of more perspective, right? Think about it. Let's see, if we had an entry today at 166 and it goes to the higher high that Sundial created, that will mean 697%. Let's say that it breaks the resistance and it goes to our first Fibonacci level. That's 925% when it reaches $17. If it goes to $21.46, that's 1,190s. And the last target that I got right now is 34.68, which could be equal to 2,000%. If somebody is doing math right now, you should post that in your comment section and let me know how much is that opportunity in some number. I don't know, whatever number you want. But anyways, Sundial showing great candles, healthy candles, by the way. I'm liking the daily candles. Look at that beautiful upside. I'm liking this. And as you can see, following the trend as well. So if there's any retracement, that will be an opportunity in my books. What do you think, Randy? Is this an opportunity?
Oh yeah!
What do you think, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes? What do you think about Sundial, SNDL? Will it keep doing some? Or will it go down to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob up? And actually, stay where it's at, because it's at $1 and freaking 74 cents. I don't even know. What is the current price, man? SNDL after hours? Oh, $1.80. Holy mofongo, guys. 180 already after hours? Oh, man. Oh, babers. 9.61%. Definitely keeping an eye on this, ladies and gentlemen. Very excited to what will happen next with Sundial. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Very, very good. Very, very good. Some people saying over here 420. Yeah, it will go to 420. I think you can get there. And dude, 420 is the moon. Okay, 420 is the moon, and we're going to freaking Mars. Okay, so that's what's happening. You gotta change that to the moon thing. I don't like to the moon. Not anymore. I used to love it, but not anymore. I want to go beyond the moon, man. Beyond the moon. Beyond the moon. Anyways, let's keep on rolling to the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to review APHA. Don't worry, Adam. I got you. I got you. That's coming up next. We're going to do APHA. We're going to be doing Tilray, I believe. I'm going to take some suggestions right after I'm done APHA, which is coming up right now, guys. Patrick Ciareta, thank you for that beautiful super sticker. Is that new? Is that a new one? Pretty. It looks pretty good. Is that like a fox, or is that a corgi? Because he looks amazing. Okay, thank you for that beautiful blessing. Let's review APHA for all of you guys. Let's do.
Oh yeah!
Holy mofongo, a double. Oh yeah, over there, man. Thank you for the support, my friends. We got 40 viewers. We got 26 likes. I will suggest, if you're driving, just get to your destination safely, okay? But when you can, just park the car and just like the video. If you're in the bathroom, then you're taking you're awesome. You're awesome. I'm just gonna say it, you're awesome. Thank you. If you're at home and you're not doing anything and you're just watching on your TV, I appreciate it. But when you can, don't forget to like the motherfucking video. And now let's do Tilray and APHA. So another one for the pot stocks. Why Tilray, APHA, and Organigram stocks are all soaring today? What happened? The stocks of Canadian pot growers have been on a tear since the start of 2021, Much of the excitement has come from news outside the company's home border, and that's no exception today. Shares of Tilray, APHA, and Organigram Holdings are showing particular strength today. As of 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, shares have moved as follows. Tilray 46 motherfucking percent.
Excellent.
Monster kill.
APHA 25%.
Excellent.
And Organigram 31.4%. Definitely, it deserves the
Monster kill.
Whoa. Not even, it wasn't SNDL alone, huh? So what? Those three stocks have all soared in 2021 between 225% to more than 360%. Much of the excitement has been on the continued trend toward marijuana legalization in the U.S. Most recently, the Virginia State Assembly passed legislation to legalize marijuana for adult recreational use. The process still has more to go before it could be signed into law, but it's another sign of the pendulum swinging in the U.S., where federal legalization will have significant ramifications for Canadian growers. Today's moves also stem from business updates from across the pond in Europe and the UK. Now what, David? Today, Tilray announced a new distribution agreement with UK medical cannabis distributor Grow Pharma, which we reviewed this morning. Under the agreement, Tilray's pharmaceutical-grade medical cannabis products will be imported and distributed by Grow Pharma in the UK. Regulations are progressing as more and more countries across Europe are recognizing the benefits of medical cannabis. Tilray Europe's managing director Sasha Mielkarek said in a statement. Also this month, Tilray has announced it has exported its first medical cannabis shipments to Spain, and it has received the first and only market authorization for medical cannabis products in Portugal. This growth is good news for APHA as well. In December, APHA and Tilray announced a plan to merge. See, guys, we said it this morning. The combined company will be one of the largest global cannabis companies. APHA CEO Erwin Simon will lead the combined company after the merger, which is expected to close by the end of the second quarter. The trend toward the legal use of cannabis is also impacting the smaller Organigram with its market capitalization of just over $1 billion. Investors see much potential for increasing returns. Last month, the company reported that its fiscal first quarter 2021 net revenue from Canadian adult recreational use grew 30% compared while the prior year period, though its overall net revenue decreased. An expansion of the legal cannabis market will benefit all participants. For now, Canadian growers remain somewhat of speculative investment if one is waiting for U.S. federal legalization, but the companies are also expanding in other markets, and shareholders are seeing hefty positive returns today. And with that said, I gotta take a look at Tilray. I gotta take a look at APHA. I can take a look at Organigram as well. So I'm gonna start with APHA, Tilray, and then OGI. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Here we go again, my friend. Woo! David, what is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. David, what is that? It is APHA. It is going up. David, what is that? Making profit, we're making profit. But David, what is that? APHA creating higher highs? Holy mofongo, guys. $23.90. That is insane. It's incredible. I still believe that it can go to $30.86. I wouldn't mind watching APHA retrace just a little bit. Just a little bit. Doesn't have to be a lot, just a little bit. But as I already said this morning and in the article, APHA and Tilray will be merging. So for every share that you own for APHA, you will actually get 0.87 shares of Tilray. And let's go ahead and take a look at Tilray right now. And Tilray, dudes and dudettes, wow. So Tilray has a lot of potential, guys. He has broken the resistance level that we had very, very easily. Oh my goodness, one of my targets, he just blew through past it. Oh my goodness, he went even higher. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys, we are already rocking it. $42 today alone, guys. That's a 40.7% movement. It went even higher, but I do believe that this one is going to be very important in the pot stocks. Tilray, keep an eye on this one. It's at $42, and I still remember the other day, Tilray at freaking $2. Oh my goodness. I remember these days, guys. The crash of the market, the consolidation, and let's get out of here because we don't deserve to be here. Oh my goodness, guys. Going well. Congratulations for those who capitalize on APHA and Tilray. The next one to finish off over here with the news so I can finally take a look at UAVS because a lot of people are asking about drone stocks and UAVS is one of those. Let's do OGI, Organigram Holdings. Oh, Deived. Oh my goodness, guys. It is heading to our direction. I mean, what else do I need to say? I told you all that Organigram was looking very, very good after the break of a trend line over here. As you can see, the exponential moving averages providing us some signs for upside and following the trend, which is now becoming your friend. And then after that, you can even see that we created higher lows and it's doing amazing. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. $4.37. For me, this one is starting to look like it can go to $8.35. And I even got some targets at 10, 13. So I'm ready for OGI. And that is it for the news. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's go ahead and review over here your favorite symbols, dudes and dudettes. Oh, right. Let me do UAVS. And I want to go ahead and ask Patrick Ciareta, and I want to ask, who else was it? Donald Murphy, and even SoCal. All of you three, provide me the favorite symbols that you want me to review. Otherwise, I'm going to start taking requests after Patrick Ciareta's sticker. So I'm going to review that, okay? Let's see over here, guys. UAVS. So a lot of people asking me about drone stocks. And let me show you something, guys. This is a very interesting one because I've been investing in UAVS for quite a while. And I like it. I like the proposal. But I just want to show you just a little bit of information about what exactly UAVS is. So let me show you all real quick. So AG Eagle Aerial Systems Inc. is the company. Where is it? Wow, man. What am I doing? UAVS stock. Let's write that down because I just want to show you a little bit of information about him. So taking me, no, I don't want to go to Yahoo. I don't like Yahoo, guys. Oof. But anyways, let me see real quick. If they have a summary. Man, Seeking Alpha. You didn't have that. Oh, yo. UAVS. Wow, this computer is amazing. So yes, guys, some of you have been asking about UAVS, and they do manufacturing. So manufacturing and assembly, custom design and engineering, and proprietary drones. They got some drone solutions, drone delivery, okay? So they're starting to work on the drone delivery. They are working, look at that. They're working on testing. What is research? Oh, they're still doing research and development and drone leasing. So that's pretty cool. And then agriculture, which is the important one for me, for UAVS, which as you can see, guys, so they are actually not only help you to capture critical crop data, we help you to understand it and put it to work. In addition, we are leading edge of providing state, territorial, and tribal departments of agricultural growers and processors with oversight, compliance, and enforcement solutions relating to the United States emerging hemp cultivation industry. Nice. And guys, I'm just telling you, Meta, this is a very interesting one. Keep an eye on it. UAVS. And let's go ahead and look at the charts because that's what I wanted to review. Ladies and gentlemen, UAVS, $14.44. It makes sense to me. And if the United States starts growing more hemp, this kind of technical advancement will be awesome. I've been writing it. Mary Forales is writing it with me. I do believe that $21 and $28 is a very good target to reach. But hey, we can even go to 217, and that will make me very feliz como una lombriz. So guys, super bullish right now. Weekly super bullish. The exponential moving averages are starting to cross, which makes sense. Keep an eye on UAVS, my friends, because this one may be exploding pretty soon. Okay, let's see. So I do have in the list SENS and SOS. After that, I'm going to review... Well, actually, I'm going to review first Patrick Ciaretas. There are new ones. It is a fox, I believe. Awesome. Do you smell that? Do you smell that? So let's do sci-fi. JMPR. AKTS. MU. After that, I'm going to do Ilika? Ilika stock? Ilika? Is that it? XBio? I'm going to do XBio, okay. I'm going to do XBio. I'm going to review... I got to check out the chat room, guys. I'm getting a little bit lost, you know. Emmanuel Cruz, bienvenido, mi hermanillo. IDEX. Oh, yes, I got to do IDEX. I'm going to add it to the list. But you're not a member. You got to be patient with me. You got to be patient. We already did Uber. Dale rewind al cassette, my friend. Let's see. Mara. Yes, Mara and Riots. Doing amazing as well, as I'm sure. Palantir had a good run. Yes, it did. None of the mention. Okay, none of the mention. And I think we're getting close to... Yeah, we did. We're going to review SOS. Okay, good. We're going to do XBio, my friend. Don't worry. But you got to be patient, bro. If you're not patient, you're not going to make some profits. Okay, guys. Can you review ZOM? But hey, is that Shuf is actually a symbol or is it like a joke? Okay, let's start with sci-fi. Let me go ahead and get started. Sci-fi technologies, but David. Guys, I still think that sci-fi is going to go to $3.70. I mean, we're doing great, bro. Like, we're doing exactly as we wanted to see this go. With a freaking trend to the upside, revisiting $3.70. And as you can see on the weekly, or even the monthly, sci-fi looks like it can actually go to that $7 target. It's getting there, my friend. Be patient. Okay. And then after that, let's review JNPR. Juniper Networks. Here we go. Juniper Networks. Patrick, this one is getting ready. Is getting the gasolina ready into its rocket boosters. And I think that there's going to be a very interesting move for this one. I like the targets that we got. I like that $30 level, which is 12%. I like that 23% upside. I even like this 44% upside, which $44, which could be a 67% upside. And I got even further targets, but for now, let's leave on the present. You know, that is a gift. Let's do KATS. Katsuragawa Electric. Katsuragawa. Patrick, there's nothing for me to review over here. But this is not it, right? What am I doing? AKTS, acoustics. Oh my goodness. I was like, what? Oh yeah, I actually entered on this one with you, Patrick. $17.61. I think this one still has potential to go to $20, $37, and even $30. There's a lot of potential on this one. Acoustics is doing amazing. Even on the monthly, you can see that we're bullish. And we're creating higher highs. And our Fibonacci price prediction was actually $30, guys. So let's hold on tight and see if we're going to get there. Hold on to your calzoncillos, your panties, or your fur. Because where we're going, we don't need roads. And let's do MU. Micron Technology, ladies and gentlemen, creating some higher lows. $83.32. I like the retracement that it actually created. I still believe that this one can go up. So let's do a Fibonacci, which we don't have any price prediction above. Using the Fibonacci, we can get a little bit of perspective of where price can go. 90, 91. We can even go to 95. I like 108. I like that. And I like 120s. Very nicely done, Patrick. Blessing us over here once again with some golden nuggets. Man, oh man. Beautiful, beautiful. Great potential over here, Meta. You can even see that first stop is over here at 87, which is 5%. But then after that, 90 is 9%. 95 is around 13. And 108 will be 30%. MU, Micron Technology. Doing good. Doing very, very good. And then let's see over here, XBio. XBio for our friend. Genetic Biosciences. We still got 29 viewers, 30 likes. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So XBio is doing exactly as expected, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that beautiful move to the upside. And look at that. Since $1.10, we are already at 15% upside. But I do want to remind you all that this was the second entry, already 43%. I'm expecting this resistance being revisited, which is $5.87. And as we can see, this is a movement of potential, 152%. You can't even go further than that. I'm going to be very honest. I like XBio. Great potential to even go to 16 and 46. Keep an eye on it, ladies and gentlemen. Great opportunities, great potential, and great range. What do you think, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
I agree. XBio. Ilica. Ilica, is that the correct one? Ilica? I don't know. I don't know if that's the right one. But if you have the right symbol, send it to me once again. SENS. Oh my goodness. Should I do SENS right now? No. I'm going to leave it till the end. Till the end. Oh, but I actually was going to do Sundial as a clip. And it could be good. Sundial has been doing very, very nice. SOS is the symbol to review. $88 flexing GSAT. We already did it. That was actually like one of the first 3 in the video. So if you want to go ahead and go back, dale rewind. Or if you want to wait for me, I can do a quick review once again of GSAT. But ladies and gentlemen, over here, as you can see, SOS today on the daily created a bullish candle, and we're already in profit, guys. We're already doing good. Look at that. The last entry, we're already in profit, 54%. That's very nice. And I'm still expecting that $8.57. Everybody says, to the moon, to the moon. Hey, give me a resistance, bro. To the moon is too big. And by the way, the moon has a resistance. Like if you try to calculate by miles how far away the moon is from Earth, you already know how many miles is. So I wouldn't say to the moon. To the moon has to be a number. And I do see 128 as a possible price point to reach. But for now, we are living in the present. $4.21. Not bad. One of Chewy's favorite numbers. Oh, almost favorite, right, Chewy? One of your almost favorite. Yeah. Very, very nice. 421. And then let's move from SOS to Ideonomics. Holy mofungers, guys. Ideonomics. Let me go ahead and do it. IDEX. Guys, it's 8:30 and I'm getting hungry. So I'm going to go through this very, very fast. And Ideonomics, ladies and gentlemen, on the daily, creating higher lows. On the 4 hour, creating higher lows. On the 1 hour, Papo, this just wants to explode. If it gets to drop to 480s, I wouldn't mind that at all. I just want to see this go even to $7, which is a very good move. I'm expecting after the break of 475 to reach $7, and that will be a 47.8% upside. The weekly is still bullish. The monthly still a bullish candle. And I do have high expectations of Ideonomics. It's doing phenomenal. But for now, even $10 as a target makes sense. 122% from the last entry. Let's keep an eye on that, Randy. Okay?
Oh, yeah!
Okay, and then from Ideonomics, FRSX. I think this is Foresight. Yes, I like Foresight. I'm in this one as well. FRSX. Going to the upside on the daily. Look at that. The last move that we were in. Already providing us good profit. Good profit. Mira para allá, my friends. Already in profit. 145%. Okay? That's what we do. That's what we do over here in this channel every day, every motherfucking day. And I do think it can even go ahead and break the resistance of 1179, 71, and go to 1470s. So great potential for Foresight. After that, I even see 1840s. Very excited to see this go up. And I like that $29 level as well. Foresight, not bad. FRSX. Let's do Mara. Shout out to my friend Edouard Murati, who must be counting the profit.
Oh, yeah!
Mara, guys, there's great potential for upside. I think that, holy motherfuckers, oh my goodness, Edouard, you're gonna party like an animal, man. This one is looking good. 88% from our previous entry. Doing amazing. This is looking delicious. This is looking nutritious. And I do think that there's potential for this to go to 55, even going up to 140s, 150s actually, 160s, and 200s. So Marathon has a lot of potential for upside, especially with Bitcoin becoming a little bit of more of a valid currency. Okay, guys, very interesting. $37.59. Then Riot. Over here, Riot Blockchain. Going to the upside as expected as well. We have reached the $39 level, which is nice. I do think that we still can go to 46. Great expectations, great movements. And let's wait for any retracement. That's all there is right now for Riot. I would love to see it to go to 30s, but I don't even know if that's going to happen soon. None of the mention. NNDM over here. Oh, should I do none of the mention? Yes, let's do none of the mention. None of the mention today on the daily. Creating higher highs and higher lows and a bullish candle. And I'm excited to see what this can do next. I want to see $22 and I want to even see this go up even to motherfucking 60s. It's going to happen, but it will require patience and time and dudes and dudettes. None of the mention today at 1672. That makes me very, very happy because he went up 4.2% and just waiting for that trend line break on the monthly time frame. That will be insane, guys. I'm very bullish on this one. I wouldn't mind any retracement, which can actually happen pretty soon.
Roar.
Ready for anything, my friends. Ready to fight. Zomedica, let's do Zomedica. I see Brandon Morris saying, as expected, Zomedica did a pullback after their offering today. Look at this. Awesome for Zomedica. As expected, Zomedica did a pullback after their offering today. There's been a ton of momentum lately. I think it will bounce back and go beyond very soon. There you go. Not saying even the moon anymore. Good. Going to the moon. Like everybody says, to the moon. It's like, yeah, to the moon. And what are you going to do when we get there? Are you prepared? Do you have their supplies? Do you have a place to stay, to sleep, to how you going to eat, go to the bathroom? And Zomedica, ladies and gentlemen, has gone up as we wanted to see it go up. It did retrace, obviously, as expected because of the offering. The daily, ladies and gentlemen, closed bullish with higher lows. The 4-hour bearish, but if Zomedica gets to drop to 190s, I will be very pumped about it, guys. It will be insane if that happens. And Zomedica may have a lot of future. Where the heck is Yug? I don't know, but hey Yug, wherever you are, this one is out for you. Now, before I do SENS, let's review over here AQMS, GAXC, NEOS, IMPX, BNR, and OXBR. Oh, BBIG? Oh my goodness. BBIG. Justin McKinney, did you touch on SNDL yet? Yes, we did. Justin, if you want, you can be patient, wait for me, or you can go ahead, dale rewind al cassette and check out what I talked about. But I'm actually going to do a clip about Sundial. Whatever I said today, I'm going to do a clip about it. But if you have any questions, just let us know, my friend. But I suggest, by the way, to say hi to the community. A lot of talented investors and entrepreneurs over here. So let's review now AQMS very quick, because I'm getting very hungry, very hungry. So AQMS, ladies and gentlemen, on the daily, created good rejections. I'm liking the rejection it created. Even though it created a lower low, the volume for this candle is very small. So it's very small. And what I'm liking is that the rejection of the wicks, or the wicks from the candles, are below the body. So that's actually a good sign that it's looking to push higher. AQMS for me can go to $7.78. On the weekly, we are bullish, which is a good sign. I'm liking the exponential moving averages crossing over here. And the monthly over here, guys. As you can see, great potential to even go up to $22.79. Starting to look very good, but patience is the name of the game, as you already know. This requires a little bit of patience, because I know some people have been getting in at 7. May have been that you entered too early, because then after that the offering came out, and then that's when the price starts to get a little bit of liquidity to push higher, which is what I'm expecting. Let me see now GAXC over here. But David, what is that? It is a penny stock. But ladies and gentlemen, it is going up. And GAXC is doing great. Gee, I can't even believe it that finally it is waking up 150%. I do believe this one can go even to 28 cents. That's a 912% upside. The weekly, as you can see, there is potential to go even to 54. And the monthly, there is potential to go even further, but let's live in the present. As you already know, for an OTC or a penny stock, make sure you're using disposable income, money that you don't need, okay? Good movement for GAXC today. What a beautiful thing. And then NEOS. Let's do it. Neos Therapeutic has been performing very nicely as well. Today went up to $1.06. And I know that I got a little bit of a mess over here. Because I have different targets, right? I have targets on the monthly, which as you can see is a 2,000% target. On the weekly, I even see this target of $4, which could be a move of 300%. And on the daily, I have a target over here of at least 121, which is 36%. As you can see, different time frames for different trading strategies. Especially in my particular case, I have my own strategy and I'm following my trading plan. Not everybody's going to have the same strategy, guys. I do recommend, if you're entering penny stock or something like that, take out the initial investment and keep on riding the wave with the free shares, you know?
Oh yeah!
And then IMPX. Mamma mia, says Philip Drake. You sound like Mario, man. You sound like Mario. Where is it? Where is Mario, man?
It's me, Mario.
There you go, Mario. Mamma mia. IMPX. Let's see over here, guys. Gaxi, new CEO enter and earning is coming. Yes, I know the CEO. Yeah, I remember that. And IMPX showing interesting signs too. A 171. It can go to 185. Then after that, 219. Great potential. Great potential. I still think that 219 will be the first stop. After that, if we break higher, that will be around $6 or even over here, $29. So IMPX, keeping an eye on this one as well, my friends. Very, very interesting. It's looking very funky over here, but looks very good on the 4 hour, especially with the exponential moving averages crossing. Insane. Then after the IMPX, BNR. Gaxi not supported on Webull. Fidelity, correct. Fidelity. Yeah, I entered on that one last year. Me too. So BNR, Burning Rock Biotech. I don't have a lot of information, but I'll do with whatever I got over here. Love is all I got. As I remember that, love is all I got. As I remember that. See over here, guys. I'm liking this one a lot, my friend. I'm going to do a Fibonacci for you. BNR is looking very, very good. Liking this. And guys, if tomorrow my computer dies, I am sorry. But I'll be back whenever. So that's why I want to see you doing technical analysis. Because maybe Shui and I won't be here forever. Maybe Shui and I are going to go on a trip. You know, on a galactic trip, if you know what I mean. And BNR has potential to go to $40, $44, and even $55. That actually could be a move of, for example, 38 is a 17% move. 40s will be at 25, 44 will be at 36, and 55 will be a 70% move. For now, that's actually looking very, very good. And then after that, OXBR. Oxbridge, OXBR. This one, not a lot of movement. Let's see. But it's starting to look like there is a good opportunity for spikes. So 458. Why I had 458 over here? Let me look at the monthly. Oh, right. I see. So I see this over here. Makes sense. I'm going to add this resistance over here. Now makes more sense. Not loving the spikes, but is still looking pretty bullish. I'm going to be very honest. The daily close with higher highs and higher lows, 336. Very interesting for OXBR. BBIG. Oh, BRN. Oh, my goodness. But Danny, bro. But Danny. Did I read? Oh, my goodness. Danny, don't do BRN. Which one? I don't see it. I don't see the symbol that you're talking about. Let me do BBIG. Vinco Ventures. Vinco Ventures, 385. Really requires to break that resistance level. And I actually see this at 420, 423. That resistance level will be good to break. And it kind of makes sense, especially with that bullish candle that I'm watching right now, 936. And then even over here, 1150s. That will be awesome for the monthly. Wow, what a good opportunity. Not bad at all. And then over here, guys, before I do SENS, ELYCAF, KHRNF. Guys, and those are the last one. And I didn't find Danny. Like I'm telling you, BRN. Look, you need to tell me what company is, and you're not giving me a little bit of detail. So I see these Brent crude oils, but I don't know. That's it. So I'm gonna do ELYCAF. ELYCAF. What the hell is that? I think that's no. I don't know if that Mr. Thumper. I can find that. Gotta give me KHRNF. KHRNF. This one, Kiron Life Sciences, 45 cents. Not bad, not bad. Fat nuts. This is starting to look good. Let me look at the monthly. Yeah, man. We're almost done with the videos. It's 8:45. So I'm going to do that BRN for my friend. And then if you can give me Mr. Thumper, if you can find me that symbol correctly, I mean, I'll definitely do it. But otherwise, I'm going to be done with the video because I'm a little bit hungry already. And this one is at 45 cents. It can go to 330s, which actually, guys, if you look at it, that's a potential move of 621%. And that's all I'm going to do for now. I'm not going to add more to it. First up over here, I see this 160s, 150s. Kind of makes sense, 226%. Very, very good. Solid state. I'll post it in the members technical instead. So Barnwell. So what you say, Mr. Thumper? Solid state? Solid state. Which one? I see. This is why I need some symbols. And Barnwell. Let's see, Barnwell. There you go, Barnwell. Got it. Barnwell. Here we go. Still looking interesting to me, Danny. It requires a little bit of a push. It's the same thing. Barnwell Industries. Is that it? Is that it, my friend? I think it is. But anyways, to finish this video off, I'm going to do Sense Onyx. I don't believe he had any article today. But for funsies, I'm going to review SENS over here in the symbol. Patrick, thank you for being here. This is the last symbol for me right now before I leave. But I wanted to take a look at SENS. No specific article for this one. And SENS, to finish the show, dudes and dudettes, holy mofongo. Yes, Sense Onyx SENS, ladies and gentlemen, we have gone up from our previous entry, already up to $3.90. No. I think this is actually moving after hours, guys. SENS is at $4. Woo! $4. We did it, guys. We definitely did it. Our last entries from 2 over here to $4. Exciting times for Sense Onyx. 64%. Members, if you capitalize on this one, you shall send a motherfucking Hadouken or send me some coins, because we have been kicking booty all day, every day on the Discord. I see a lot of people kicking booty. Very excited for what will happen next. ILIKF. There you go, Ilika. There you go, my friend. And now we're gonna finish this video with this one for you, my friend. 391 is an OTC. There's not a lot of for me to review over here, other than whatever it has right now. And we can do a Fibonacci. And doing the Fibonacci for you, my friend, before I leave, As you know, we do the videos with a lot of love, con mucho, mucho amor. Okay? So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And ring that motherfucking bell. It seems like we can go to 7, 6, and 4. Keep that in mind. Not a lot to do other than that. And that is it for today. SENS making me feliz como una lombriz. Es Patrick Ciareta. Thank you, David. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ring that motherfucking bell. YouTube.com/DEIVED. Check out that YouTube video. And no worries, Mr. Thumper. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell, my friend. You will learn a lot. And if you have any questions, our community is here. Just wish I had bought a bigger position in SENS calls. Hadoukens happens, my friend. No FOMO. Thank you all for being here. And as always, have a beautiful evening.
Monster kill.